Psychopharmacology. Detail going on. Psychopharmacology is the study of drugs induced changes in mood, thinking and behavior. These drugs may originate from natural sources such as plants and animals, or from artificial sources such as chemical synthesis in the laboratory. These drugs interact with particular target sites or receptors found in the nervous system to induce widespread changes in physiological or psychological functions. Classification of psychiatric drugs. 1. Antipsychiatrics. 2. Antidepressants. 3. Mood stabilizing drugs. 4. Anti-anxiety and hypnosedatives. 5. Anti-epilepsy. 6. Alcohol and drugs of dependence. Anti-Parkinson's. 7. Miscellaneous drugs, stimulants or eating disorder for reduction, anesthetic, dementia, child psychiatric, vomiting, calcium channel blocking, etc. Detail about first antipsychotic drugs. First, organic psychiatric disorder. Second, non-organic psychiatric disorder. 3. Child psychiatric disorder. 4. Neurotic and other psychiatric disorder. 5. Medical disorder. Second, antidepressants. Depression, child psychiatric disorder, other psychiatric disorders, medical disorder. Classification. 1. Selective norepinephrine NE. Reuptake inhibitors. 2. Selective serotonin. Reuptake inhibitors. SSRIs. 3. Selective dopamine DA. Reuptake inhibitors. 4. Non-reuptake inhibitors. 5. Selective serotonin reuptake enhancers. 3. Lithium and other mood stabilizing drugs. First, lithium. Second, carbamazepine. 3. valproate sodium. 4. chlorgyline. 5. thyroxine. Side effects. 1. Neurological. 2. Renal. 3. Cardiovascular. 4. Endocrine. 5. Gastrointestinal. 6. Dermatological. 7. Drugs, pregnancy and lactation. Side effect. 4. Anti-anxiety drugs. 1. Barbiturates. 2. Non-barbiturates, non-benzodiazepine. 3. Benzodiazepines. 4. Newer drugs. Thank you. Have a nice day.